Communication templates can be created for your most common SMS and email correspondence. Once created, you'll be able to select them to pre-fill into your outgoing message, so you don't have to write the same message over and over. To create a communication template, you'll need to go to Manage, Communications, Templates. Next, you can create the new template, filling out an easy to identify title, the type of message, either email or SMS, and then the message. You can use placeholders to personalize the message, and then you want to save the template. Now let's go see this template in action. So, wherever you typically send communication from, whether it's the messages area, from an account or an invoice, or from the documents area, you'll now be able to quickly select the template, which will pull through the content for you. Once you've selected the template, you can review the content and make any changes that you might like, and then send off the email or SMS. As you can see, setting up these communication templates will save you so much time, as well as ensuring your communication is professional and consistent.